Ever wonder what happens at a Southern Belle princess party? First, our princesses will greet your little ones at the door. We spend just a few minutes giving hugs, answering questions, and letting the littles warm up to us if they are shy. Next, we begin our live performance portion. Here, princesses will invite your party guests to help tell their story, and for our longer parties, we will sing live and teach a dance lesson. Next, we move on to the royalty lesson and game. We teach how to become royalty and will lead a special game to see who is ready for the coronation ceremony. The coronation ceremony will honor the birthday child with one of our tiaras and an autograph certificate complete with their name on it. Finally, depending on your package, we might do face paint, temporary tattoos, nail polish, makeovers, or balloon twisting. We end all parties with photos, lots of hugs, and of course the happy birthday song. We cannot wait to make memories with you.